Hello everyone, I am Myung, and today Wanyu and I are going to present a system for human-in-the-loop iterative text revision task, which has been a collaboration project with Grammarly. In this presentation, I will first describe the human-in-the-loop iterative text revision process and demonstrate our system. Then Wanyu will present some interesting findings on our user studies and conclude with future directions. Now let's start with the task introduction. Given an initial document, an iterative text revision system will first go through all the sentences and identify possible edits that can be applied to each sentence. The documents are revised using these edit suggestions, and the revised document will be passed on to a stop revision evaluator to see if the quality of the revised document meets the stopping criteria. The revision process continues iteratively until these criteria are satisfied. We identify iterative text revision as an important writing process that can lead to improved overall quality of documents. It's because, according to previous research, human writers are not very good at simultaneously satisfying multiple demands and constraints that are placed when writing well-written text. So, by breaking down the revision process into an iterative procedure, we can reduce the cognitive burden on the human writers. Iterative text revision consists of three key components: read, that identifies different types of edits; revise, that provides edit suggestion at different granularities; and repeat, that makes revision in an iterative way. However, previous studies on human-machine collaborative writing either oversimplify this task or focuses on creative writing, which is more centered on generating new content information than improving the text quality. Note that iterative text revision is a challenging task. An existing text revision system may generate some undesired edits. In this work, we propose our read, revise, repeat, all-three system, which leverages human feedback to filter out the noisy edits at the revision stage. We'll illustrate the whole process in the next section. So by using our system, we hope to achieve the following three goals: improve writers' writing experience by helping them focus only on the parts that they need attention, provide writers with fine-grained and interpretable edit suggestions, and improve the efficiency in revision with fewer edits and iterations. We present some of the experimental results to verify these requirements. Now let's move on to the system demonstration. We note that our baseline models are trained and loaded with Hugging Face, and the system itself is coded in Python using Streamlit. We've made codes, datasets, and models publicly available at GitHub and Hugging Face Hub. There are three key components of the L3 system, which are intent prediction, accept or reject suggestion, and iterative revision. The first key feature of our system is that a two-stage intent prediction, where a binary classification followed by n-ary classification are conducted for each sentence in the document. Each predicted intent is color-coded, as shown in the text block. Another key aspect of our system is that users can go through and accept or reject text edits suggested by the revision models. The decisions are then reflected in the next round of revision. Once our users have gone through all the edit suggestions, they can submit the result and proceed to the next iteration of the revision. The revision model is run on the new text, and the second round of text edits are generated. Users proceed until there are no further revisions that are generated or reach the maximum number of revision cycles. We also have recorded a video demonstration of our described system on YouTube.
Now I will introduce our experiments. We conduct experiments to answer the following two research questions. First, does a writer get a good revision experience by using our system? Second, does our human-in-the-loop system help produce higher quality of revised documents? To better computationally model the iterative text revision process, we follow the prior work and collect a larger iterative text revision data, the Iterator V2 dataset, which has a total number of 366,000 edits. Then we use this dataset to train our text revision model, which achieves better performance than the prior work. We hired 3 linguistic experts as our users to interact with the R3 system. Note that they did not have the control over the stopping criteria. In our experiments, we set the system revision depth to 3. We answered the first research question by calculating the user's acceptance rate to the edit suggestions. A higher acceptance rate indicates that the generated edits are more meaningful and helpful to users. As shown in the plot, the user acceptance rate to our system peaks at the second iteration of revision, and overall, our system still has a gap compared to the human-generated edits. In addition, we further ask our users to take a feedback survey and rate our system in a scale between 1 to 5. And we find that users generally think using R3 can help them get a more convenient and productive revision experience. We answered the second research question by conducting a Bayesian study on the human-machine interaction. We removed the user interaction in reviewing the model-generated edits and asked another group of 3 annotators to judge whether the final revised documents have improved quality. And the result shows that the system-human interaction helps produce higher quality of revised documents with fewer edits and iterations of revisions. In conclusion, our proposed human-in-the-loop R3 system can generate fine-grained text revision at different granularities, and we provide users with control to filter out noisy edits, which give us better revised documents. For the future work, we may build better models and improve the HCI interface. Thank you for your interest in our work, and we look forward to having more discussions with you.